High jewelry has always stood at the intersection of art and heritage. In 2025, gemstone masterpieces are commanding even more attention with their bold colors, daring cuts, and timeless craftsmanship. Emeralds, sapphires, rubies, and diamonds are not just accessories this year, they are statements of prestige and legacy. If you have been searching for jewelry near me or exploring jewelry stores in Arcadia, now is the perfect time to see these pieces in person. The most coveted creations of the year are meant to be admired, tried on, and cherished up close. What makes a masterpiece in 2025 gemstone royalty is defined by more than rarity. The world's most desirable jewelry shares 4 qualities: exceptional gemstones such as emeralds with rich green depths, fiery rubies, and velvety sapphires. Unforgettable artistry with bold cuts, asymmetrical designs, and innovative settings. Exquisite craftsmanship with ethical sourcing and precise detail. Personal meaning that turns a beautiful object into something intimate and lasting. These are the qualities you can truly appreciate when shopping locally. Visiting the nearest jewelry boutique or exploring jewelry in Arcadia allows you to feel the weight of each piece and see its brilliance under real light. Why shopping in person is better than online. Luxury jewelry is too valuable to buy without experiencing it. While online browsing is convenient, stepping into jewelry stores in Arcadia offers advantages that websites cannot match. Better pricing and negotiation. Jewelers often work directly with clients, offering adjustments or custom services. A clear view of quality. Gemstones reflect differently depending on light and setting. Visiting jewelry in Arcadia lets you see their true character. More choices. Exclusive collections and one-of-a-kind designs are often only available in person. Ongoing care. Buying locally creates a relationship with jewelers who can provide trusted services, such as jewelry repair around me or care from an Arcadia jewelry repair shop. This is why so many people search for jewelry near me rather than making quick online purchases. The in-person experience simply cannot be replaced. Day and night styling for gemstone royalty. The beauty of high jewelry lies in its flexibility. Collectors in 2025 are styling gemstones for both daytime and evening wear. Daytime elegance. Diamond or sapphire studs for subtle sparkle. A delicate emerald pendant layered with fine chains. Stackable gemstone rings for a modern touch. Trying these styles at jewelry stores in Arcadia allows you to discover combinations that feel effortless and authentic. Evening glamour. Ruby chandelier earrings that frame the face with drama. Sapphire or diamond necklaces that command attention at galas. Bold cocktail rings that draw every eye in the room. When you shop for jewelry in Arcadia, you can try these bold pieces under showroom lighting to ensure they shine at their fullest when the evening begins. Caring for high jewelry masterpieces. A gemstone masterpiece deserves long-term care. Professional maintenance ensures your collection remains just as radiant as the day you purchased it. If you search for jewelry repair around me, you will find experts who specialize in fine jewelry. Services offered by trusted Arcadia jewelry repair specialists include cleaning and polishing to restore brilliance, tightening or resetting gemstones, ring resizing and chain adjustments, clasp or bracelet repairs. Having access to a reliable Arcadia jewelry repair shop guarantees your investment remains secure and beautiful for years to come. The defining trends of 2025. The world's most coveted jewelry this year shares some common themes. Oversized gemstones as bold centerpieces, creative cuts like cabochon, cushion, or freeform, ethical sourcing to ensure responsible luxury. Color combinations such as emeralds paired with rubies or sapphires with diamonds, convertible jewelry that transforms from necklaces to bracelets or detachable earrings. When you explore jewelry stores locally, you can see these trends in real time, trying on pieces that express your personality while also aligning with the year's most luxurious styles. Building your own collection. A well-rounded collection blends classics with statements. Consider diamond or pearl studs for everyday elegance, a sapphire or emerald pendant for versatility, a cocktail ring as a centerpiece for special occasions, a bracelet or cuff that balances subtlety with luxury. Shopping at jewelry stores in Arcadia allows you to compare pieces side by side. You can also build a trusted relationship for care and maintenance, including access to expert Arcadia jewelry repair whenever needed. Final thoughts. Gemstone Royalty 2025 is about artistry, rarity, and personal significance. These pieces are more than ornaments. They are investments in heritage and identity. Searching for jewelry near me or visiting jewelry stores in Arcadia allows you to see their true brilliance and find the designs that speak to you. With expert support from Arcadia jewelry repair specialists and a dependable Arcadia jewelry repair shop, your masterpieces will remain flawless for a lifetime. Discover Dorano Jewelry in Arcadia. At Dorano Jewelry, we believe in creating and curating jewelry that captures timeless elegance and modern luxury. From diamond studs to gemstone statement pieces, our collection is designed for those who value artistry and beauty. We also provide trusted Arcadia jewelry repair, offering resizing, polishing, and restoration services to keep your treasures shining. If you are exploring jewelry in Arcadia, browsing jewelry stores in Arcadia, or searching for reliable jewelry repair around me, Dorano Jewelry is your premier destination. Visit our showroom to discover breathtaking collections, enjoy personalized service, and see why we are the nearest jewelry choice for families and collectors alike.